Hello everyone, welcome back to Act 3. Today, I'll give you a brief overview of the timeline on the editor page. Let's begin by opening the Projects page and selecting the project we want to review. The area at the top of the editor is called the timeline. First, let's look at the zoom controls. You can use the minus and plus buttons to zoom out of or into the timeline. This helps you adjust the view based on the number and duration of the shots in your project. For example, zooming out allows you to see more of a long project at once. Zooming in gives you a closer view of shorter shots and makes them easier to select. The zoom control also includes a recommended point. This provides a balanced timeline view that is suitable for the current project. At the top of the timeline, you can see the timescale. This shows when each part of the project appears in the video. As the video plays, you can use this scale to identify positions such as 5 seconds or 10 seconds. When you zoom into or out of the timeline, the spacing between the time markers changes automatically. The timeline organizes the project into acts, beats, scenes, and shots. Together, these elements define the structure and content of the project. You can control which structural elements appear by opening the outline menu. For example, you can hide acts, beats, or shots from the timeline. Scenes cannot be hidden, ensuring that the timeline always has a visible structure. You can also show or hide B-roll on the timeline. This project does not currently contain any uploaded B-roll, so no B-roll items are visible here. Next, let's look at the shot status colors. Some shots on this timeline are green, while others are blue. Each color represents a different generation status. You can find an explanation of these colors by opening the View menu and checking the timeline legend. Blue means that a shot has not been started. A blue shot has not yet been submitted for video generation. Yellow represents a queued or processing shot. This means that a generation request has been submitted and the AI is preparing the video. Orange means that the AI preparation is complete and the video is currently being generated. Green means that video generation has been completed successfully. If video generation fails, the corresponding shot becomes red. When B-roll is uploaded and attached to a shot, it appears in a darker shade of blue. If a shot or scene is excluded from the final video, it appears in gray. Finally, a locked shot appears in purple. For example, if I lock this shot, its timeline color changes to purple. These colors allow you to understand the status of every shot at a glance. The timeline also makes it easy to move through the project and switch quickly between different shots. When you select a shot on the timeline, the information in the editor panels updates automatically. The Preview and Sets panel displays the content associated with the selected shot. The Prompt panel displays the prompt used for that shot, and the primary human script moves to the corresponding part of the script. For example, when I return to shot 1, Preview and Sets displays the details for shot 1. The Prompt panel shows the prompt associated with shot 1, and the primary human script displays the matching script content. That is the basic overview of the Act 3 timeline. It helps you understand the structure and status of your project while allowing you to move between shots quickly. Thank you for watching.